Welcome to India Fastener Show.
Non-stop.
I am very proud to participate in this function. So this will be helpful for the development of our nation. So nicely exhibited within a short span of time. They have made elaborate arrangements that shows our skill and dexterity.
Non-stop.
I think it is an amazing experience having experienced people here in the panel discussion, brainstorming and speaking more of the future of digitalization. So thank you for this opportunity. I had a great experience, great learning, great observation.